Advanced AI tools like ChatGPT can help organize and prepare you for a virtual meeting. But why stop at the preparation stage? You can have this AI language model open on the side during the entire meeting to ask questions and come up with new ideas. ChatGPT can even help with post-meeting tasks and streamline things for any future meetings. Let's look at the different ways you can leverage ChatGPT's language model for your next virtual team meeting. 1. Anticipate questions in advance. Being in a virtual meeting can be more stressful than a physical one as the interactions are limited. Also, you cannot easily read the body language of others. So, when someone asks a question that you didn't expect, your whole presentation can go off the rails. Thankfully, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for anticipating most of the questions you may be asked during a virtual meeting. You only have to provide the necessary details, such as the meeting's agenda, your role, and topics of discussion. Once you have provided this information, simply ask ChatGPT to generate a list of questions the attendees might ask during the virtual session. The language model can even provide answers to these potential questions. While these responses may not be the best, they can serve as a great starting point for your preparation. Then, with the questions and potential responses in hand, you can organize them further in any note-taking app too. Brainstorm ideas. ChatGPT can also be used to brainstorm great ideas during a virtual meeting. For example, you can open the AI in another window and ask it to provide intuitive suggestions about the topics under discussion. These ideas can then be passed to the meeting members, and everyone can discuss their viability. ChatGPT can help provide a new angle that may solve the issue more efficiently. It can also provide a good starting point for your team to come up with fresh new ideas of their own. You can streamline this process of asking ChatGPT for new ideas by using your voice to control ChatGPT. Point 3. Summarize the meeting transcript. An intuitive and time-saving way to use ChatGPT for your online session is to have it summarize the meeting transcript. All you have to do is provide the transcript and ask ChatGPT to summarize it within a word count of your choice. The AI chatbot will then generate a detailed summary that you can use to quickly see what was discussed in the virtual meetings. You can even ask it to list the important pointers in bullets for easy readability. Since the meeting is being conducted online, it can be recorded. You can then use an app like Rev to transcribe your audio files. If the transcription is in PDF form, there is no need to worry. There are several ways to let ChatGPT read PDF files as well. Point 4. Decide the next course of action. An essential part of meeting minutes is to jot down all follow-up actions at the end. This helps clarify what needs to be done next and prevents misunderstandings. Again, ChatGPT can help you with this at the press of a key. Ask the language model what the next course of action is based on the transcription of your meeting. Then provide the AI chatbot with the transcription of your meeting, and ChatGPT will list all follow-up actions. ChatGPT is the perfect assistant for your virtual meetings. ChatGPT can make your meetings more productive. It can help you anticipate questions in advance, brainstorm new ideas, and get a summary of the meeting's transcription. Also, this language model can be used to chart the course of action your team should take following the meeting. So next time, whether you're hosting a virtual meeting on Google Meet or Zoom, be sure to utilize ChatGPT to save time and assist you every step of the way.